All right, welcome back. Welcome back to our class. This is the mix window class. Let's explore the mix window. So we come to window and click on mix. Remember, if you do control equals to or control, yes, we'll always come back to this. So this is how the mix window looks like when we have tracks on them. So this is the first track there. This is the second. So most of them are mute for now. So we can unmute them. This is the pan tool. These are all stereo tracks. So that is why we have two pans. So this one is pan hard left and this one is pan hard right. We can fix that by clicking and dragging. Same with this one. Okay. This is the solo button. This is the solo button here. You can solo. This is to arm one. You can arm this for recording. Okay. You can arm this for recording. You can arm all as well. Sorry. Okay. If you click alternate, and then click one, we arm all, and we can off all of them. This is the fader, volume faders. Okay. This is the volume fader. Okay, so this is the master track here. Again, so the things we have some things that we have here on the edit window, some of the things we have on this panel of the edit window can also be found on the mix window. Okay, this is where you insert plugins. This is where you send. This is where your input lies. Okay. So in our next class, we will focus on understanding tracks and how to play with tracks.